Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Danish paper heart. First, gather your materials. You'll need 2 sheets of paper, preferably in different colors, along with a pair of sharp scissors. A pencil and ruler can also be very useful for ensuring your cuts are straight and even. This simple craft is perfect for adding a personal touch to gifts or decorations, and it's easier than you might think to create. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's prepare our paper strips. Take each sheet and cut it into a strip that is about 3 inches wide and 9 inches long. Once you have your 2 strips, fold each one in half lengthwise, making sure to create a sharp crease. Next, on the open end of each folded strip, draw a half-circle shape. Carefully cut along this line to give your strips a nice, rounded top. This step is crucial for the heart's classic shape. With your rounded strips ready, it's time to create the slits for weaving. On each folded strip, measure and mark 3 lines starting from the folded edge. These lines should be approximately 1 inch apart and about 5 inches long. Carefully cut along these marked lines, making sure to stop before you reach the rounded top of the strip. These slits are what will allow us to interlock the 2 pieces and form the heart. Finally, let's weave our heart together. Take 1 strip and begin to interlock it with the other, weaving the slits one over and one under, alternating the colors. This is the most satisfying part, as the heart shape will start to emerge. Gently pull the woven pieces tight to secure the shape. Once complete, you'll have a beautiful Danish paper heart. You can even add a small loop to the top for hanging it as an ornament.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.